Alright, so y'all see Demi? This is Demi. She'll be 9 weeks on Wednesday, which is in 2 days. Can you show her from the side so you can see how small she is? So y'all can see Demi is compact. Her mama was only 13 pounds. Demi was one of the smaller ones out the litter, so I'm praying she stay even smaller, you know what I'm saying, than her mom was. Also, Demi carries 1 copy of Cream, 1 copy of Fluffy, and 2 copies of Lilac, which Golf Ball also carries. Golf Ball! Golf Ball! Oh, there you go. Okay. Golf Ball. There you go. That's my boy right there. Golf Ball also carries Lilac, Try, and 1 copy of Fluffy. Right? Demi, man. Demi, that's my baby right there. Y'all see it. Hey, if y'all like the bag and the outfit, the little Burberry dress she got on, and the little Gucci bag, yes sir. Check in the comments. I was just out in Miami, found the dope. I like handcraft shit. You know what I'm saying? It's a company, family owned, doing their own thing, crafting their own thing, their own designs. I thought it was dope. We definitely got Demi. Got Demi. YouTube, what's good with this? Your boy Marta Barber. We back with another video. Miami Beach. It's a wrap. Just got done shooting yesterday. Went to grab Princess some dope stuff. Make sure y'all follow her Instagram, A15 Princess. Check her out. But yeah, no, in Miami, we head back to the crib. We headed back to Chicago. Pull these dogs out. Get back to these kids. Business over with. On this packed ass plane. Y'all know the vibes. Business over with. Getting back to the dogs, man. Demi, Sasha, Princess, Love Ball, Luchi, Bear. That's my dogs, man. But no, shout out to the store I got that dog clothes from. I'm gonna let y'all check them out. Back in Chicago. Actually got back last night. I was tired as hell. Monday, so we fasted. All praise to Allah. I hope y'all doing good. I appreciate y'all tapping in, subscribing, hitting that like button. Continue to show love, continue to support me on this journey, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see these outfits we got for Princess. Check that out, you know what I'm saying? Check out the difference. It's this store, what's the store in Miami that I had went to, I was telling y'all about, which I should have recorded, but I was moving so fast and I didn't. I apologize for that. I'll make sure I get y'all all the content next time. But they do got it. I'll show y'all their online store. If I can show you their online store, check this out. Let's scroll through that. Maybe y'all see something y'all like. They do cater to smaller dogs, not so much bigger dogs. So depending on what type of dog you got or how old it is, you probably won't be able to fit the stuff they got. But nonetheless, they have some dope stuff. So I'm gonna let y'all check that out. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Stay tuned.
to feed me.
This is the bag that I got. Adventure Pups, just the website, the address. It's Miami, the phone number if y'all want to go there. And this is their Instagram. They ship worldwide. But this is what I got though. I got to get her food. It's like a Gucci type. It's a family-owned business. They make everything themselves. It's cooking. Hey. Oh no. I put the water in there. Let me see her, girl.
Mommy.
I cleaned it. We'll start to clean it.
Mommy.
What?
Just Demi. Be quiet for a second, baby. Just Demi. Show her the dress. Fix her. Fix her dress. Yeah, so that's that. I recommend 5 out of 5 stars, man. Very, like I said, I really wish I should have recorded the actual inside the store so y'all could have checked it out, but it was dope. Like I said, I definitely would recommend shopping there, or like I said, if you want to order something, go to their website. Go on their website and order y'all some stuff. They ship worldwide, so that's that, man. I gotta go to the dog store, grab some dog food and stuff. I've been gone for 2 days, trying to get the dogs back right, and we'll get back with y'all tomorrow.